If you are making around $3,000 a month in the US, you are probably feel like your money just depressed. But here is the truth. With the right plan, you can still save and invest. Section 1 Reality Check. Let's be real. $3,000 a month is pretty average in the US, but rent, food and bills can eat up your money fast. That's why you need to control your money, not the other way around. Section 2 The 50-30-20 rule. Here is a simple rule to follow. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and investing. So if you make $3,000, $1,500 rent, food, bills, $900 lifestyle fund, $600 your future. That $600 is what builds your wealth. Section 3 Cut expense smartly. If $1,500 is enough, don't panic. Adjust smartly. Get a roommate, cook more at home, cancel unused subscription. Small cuts make a big difference. Section 4 Where to invest. Now the most important part. What to do with that $600? Keep it simple. Invest index fund like the S&P 500. They track the top companies in the US and over time they grow steadily. Section 5 Power of consistency. If you invest $600 every month and stay consistent, you can build strong wealth for you over the years. That's the power of compounding.